Oh, so hello everyone, welcoming you to Saurabh's classes. This is our seventh session on our discussion of ISI PA 2022 question paper, and now we begin with question number 13. So over here we are given the cost function of a monopolist, which is C as a function of Q equals to 3Q squared plus 800. The inverse market demand function is P equals to 280 minus 4Q. We need to find the price elasticity of demand at the profit maximizing price. So first let us obtain the profit maximizing price. So we know that at optimal, what is the optimal for the monopolist? It is marginal revenue equals to marginal cost. Right? So from here, given the cost function, what will be my marginal cost? It is 6Q. And given the inverse demand function, what is the MR? It is 280 minus 8Q, right? So at equilibrium, MR is equals to MC. So 280 minus of 8Q equals to 6Q. So 280 equals to 14Q. That means Q star is equals to 20. This is the optimal quantity that the monopolist would want to sell. And what is the optimal price which will be charged? 480 minus 4 times Q star, which is 280 minus 4 times 20, which is 280 minus 80, which is equals to 200. Right? So what are we supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out the elasticity of demand at the optimal profit maximizing price. So this is the profit maximizing price, which is P star equals to 2. So what's the definition of the elasticity? Minus of dq dp into P by Q. So at the optimal, we will be evaluating this elasticity at P star and Q star. So now have a look at it that, so this is the value that we'll calculate. So what is the inverse demand function that is given? 280 minus 4Q. So if we take the derivative, dp equals to minus 4 times dq. Therefore, okay, just one correction over here. We need not find the absolute elasticity, so we can remove the minus sign from the expression of E. So this will become dq by dp is equals to minus of 1 by 4. So we'll just replace it. Therefore, elasticity at P star is what? dq by dp is minus 1 upon 4. P star is 200. Q star is 20. So minus 5 by 2, which is minus 2.5. So if we look at the options, it's coming out to be option C. Alright. And finally, coming to question number 14 over here, which is based on the solo model. So question 14. So consider a solo model with constant average propensity to save, which is S, rate of depreciation delta, labor supply growth rate, and there is no technological progress. Then the steady state capital output ratio is. That means we need to obtain K by Y at steady state. Now in solo, what was the equation of motion of capital, per capita capital? Equation of per capita capital stuff. We can recollect what was the notation that we generally use. It is small k. So it was small k dot equals to S times Fk minus delta plus eta times k. This was the equation of motion of per capita capital stock. right? I hope you remember this. Where what is small f of k? It is y by l. This was the notation. What happens at steady state? For capital stock, growth is 0. So small k dot equals to 0. So what do we have? S of fk minus of delta plus n times k is equals to 0. So S times fk equals to delta plus n times k. Right? This is the thing. So what is f of k? It is simply y by l. And what is small k? It is k by l. Right? So this l and l will cancel out. So if we take the y down and take the other terms to the left, what do we have? We have the k by y ratio at steady state. So this matches with your S by n plus delta. It is option A. Okay. So thank you so much for this for coming to the session. So for more live online and offline classes, if you want complete study materials, past year solutions or mock test series, you can contact the Sort of Search classes at 9836793076. This is our contact number. Thank you so much.